You need to hear this if you're a dessert lover. We're making coconut jelly that's easy, fun, and oh so tasty. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of coconut water, 1 cup of coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder. Got it? Great. Start by mixing the agar-agar powder with the coconut water in a small pot. Stir well and heat over medium heat until dissolved about 5-7 minutes. Next, add the sugar and keep stirring until it's fully melted. Now, reduce the heat to low and slowly pour in the coconut milk, stirring continuously. Blend everything nicely and pour the mix into molds or a shallow dish. Let it cool at room temp before popping it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And voila! Once set, cut your jelly into cubes or fun shapes. Garnish with fresh fruit if you're feeling fancy. Enjoy your tropical dessert.